Hello everyone, welcome to Alyssa's Learning Hub. I'm Daisy.
I'm Alyssa.
Tell us, what are we going to draw today?
To be
Yes, we are going to draw something really cute with letter B.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. Alyssa, today we're going to draw from letter B. Which one you want to start with? The capital B or the small b?
Big one?
The big one?
Yes.
Good, the big one. So at the top of the paper, we're going to write a capital B, okay?
A B.
Going to draw another straight line on the side. Yeah, okay, well, it's a bit curved, but that's okay. Exactly same thing on the left hand side, okay? Will be symmetrical. And we turn this to a butterfly.
Ooh, that's so cool.
Yes. We're going to draw a circle at the top. Oh, okay. Well, that's fine. And draw these two little long thing on top of the head. Oh, good. Yeah, some details.
I'm
on
going
her
to do
body.
details.
Yeah, I'm going to decorate.
Wait.
Good.
One, two, three.
Lots of patterns, okay?
I already drew it.
You can draw lots of patterns inside the wings. And then later on we're going to color and it's going to be very beautiful.
Ooh, I like your colors.
And here I'm going to draw another butterfly. Write another B. Your butterfly has one friend,
Yeah.
but where is her friend?
Wait, doesn't draw it.
Are you going to draw a friend for her later?
Yeah.
Alright.
Can't wait.
Okay, now my two little butterflies ready. And I'm going to write a beak, okay? With very big body. And now I'm going to draw another curved line on top. And I connect all the way here. And then I'm going to draw two little circles.
For little cute eyes.
Yes, you know this is going to be the eyes.
A bunny. Oh, actually, it's and I think this is a bunny.
Yes, it's a bunny. I'm going to draw
I'm going to
Is-
fluffy.
long ears, a fluffy, round-shaped tail. Alright, I'm going to start.
Coloring.
So today we drew a bunny from the small bee. Yeah, bunny. And that's a butterfly. Okay, we used the capital letter B U T T E R N Y. Butterfly. So we use the letter B to draw a butterfly and a bunny. Did you have fun today? Tell us what you've drawn.
a bunny and 2 butterfly, and this is kind of clouds butterfly.
Oh, so it's a butterfly-shaped cloud. Very good thinking. And what's that, Alyssa?
This one,
Yeah,
a rock.
a rock. That's good. And then that one, what is that?
That's a duck.
A duck. And what's that?
An egg. The
An
duck
egg.
from the egg.
Oh, okay. So the duck come out from the egg.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Got a very good imaginations. Yeah, you bunny and butterfly got lots of friends. Okay, guys, I hope you had fun joining with us today. If you enjoyed joining with us today, please subscribe to our channel, Alyssa's Learning Hub. We will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.